So last MWC, we announced that the OpenRAN ecosystem, so OpenRAN ecosystem experience, OREX, that provide that OpenRAN, true OpenRAN solution in the world. So today, I'd like to announce 3 topics. So first one is that we are the ORAN solution provider. So I will explain what we will provide. The second one, to extend that OpenRAN, we create the OREX RU partners. And third one, we deploy OREX product in commercial. So let's explain that our solution, OREX package, what we provide. So we have 3 portfolio. One is that OpenRAN, or OpenRAN itself, so OREX RAN, that provide that VLAN and also the RUs. So since that so frequency band is different from that countries, we provide that best RU, and we are working together with many partners. So we can provide a different type of the VLAN according to the deployment scenario or operator's request. And second one is that we provide OREX SMO. So our SMO is that actually the private entity group and supporting not only the single vendors VLAN, but of course supporting multi-vendors solutions. So we connected different VLAN solution. And our SMO, of course, we have many capability, but one of them is that improve that power consumption, so supporting a sweeping mode to improve that so the energy consumption according to the traffic. And also that we support that handover optimization. That's actually that important to the operators. And the other one is we automatically set up that or changing or optimize that antenna tilting. So those things actually we are already deployed in our commercial network, and those are the also now is the most part is that we set human set up that parameters, but those things is automatically set up so to reduce that operation cost. And last one is that we provide OREX services that includes integrations and also that operational support. You know that some system like VSS is quite different from that operators. So we need integration of such system. So we of course support such integrations. And OREX product itself, we provide the pre-integration soft. That means that we do that pre-integration as much as possible to reduce the integration cost. But OREX service support not only that, so such integration, but also that integration to their system. And also support that the maintenance and also the, if necessary, that operation itself. So based on our experience. So this is that our OREX package. And these are the partners actually we have already mentioned. But there are things that I would say. We are working with multiple partners. That means that we can provide different type of combinations. So if someone wants to use that specific all-cloud vendors, we provide the solution with that all-cloud vendor. Or even though cost server or accelerator or soft vendor, we can provide a solution. So, and why we introduce that VLAN in commercial? We investigate that TCO in our network. We deployed that 5G service 2020, so 3 years ago. And when we introduced the VLAN, not only considering the CapEx, of course we need to consider the OPEX, and the CapEx, when we consider the CapEx, not only focus on the VLAN product itself. So when we introduce that VLAN, we also can share our server together with that core network. And our network is centralized. So centralized CU, we can also reduce the number of servers itself. So considering that total deployment, including everything, so that is actually TCO, we see that up to 30% reduction. And the second part is the power consumption. The people say that to introduce the Open RAN, power consumption is one of the challenges. So we work with that VLAN vendor that includes that accelerator hardware and software. And recent accelerator, of course, can improve the performance and improve the power consumption. That is also very important. But in addition to that, the deployment scenario, so centralize the VLAN or sharing the resource with that other, so core network or data center or MEC, then in total we can reduce that servers. This also can reduce that total power. And as mentioned, that we also introduced the SMO that that control that RU to reduce that energy. So in total, we see that we can achieve the up to 50% per reduction. And third one is that so that is more related to SMO, but network design operation cost, because delta provisioning we provide, we can reduce such a cost. And as mentioned, the second point is we have the new RU partners, OREX partners. So since the frequency band is different from countries, and how to scale the RU, that is very important. So working together with partners, how we scale, because we are talking about that many operators in the world. So some equipment is good for the several countries, then we can scale it. And we are working together with RU partners and also the CUDU vendors. We are simplified. We will have the common ORAN profile. That means that we can significantly reduce the integration cost. So this time, we also announced that creating that OREX RU partner. The last one, we deploy OREX product in commercial. So in Docomo's network, we introduce our OREX product. Our first product, it's provided by Fujitsu, NVIDIA, WindRiver, Intel. It's a cost server. So I think this is the world first VRAM solution to using that GPU. So with this, inline accelerator solutions, we can significantly improve that performance. So with those things, I'd like to announce today's session. Thank you very much.